welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new in this channel, you are highly welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a facelift treatment. It's going to tighten your face and it's just going to glow your skin. Okay, so these three things are the things that you need. Is a natural skin botox, so it's just going to help you to firm it up. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share the video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, let's dive into the video, but follow me on Instagram. For our first lift, we're going to be making use of potato. Now, potato is a great remedy that helps to tighten up the skin. It helps also in closing up the large and open pores because of the starch in it. It contains a lightening property that leaves the skin looking evenly and smooth. Alright guys, so now we're going to first of all peel off the potato. Okay, so we'll be needing just a little of this. Then we're going to cut it into tiny pieces. Now we're going to blend. Alright, so it's well blended, and we're gonna take that into the bowl. And then we're going to also be making use of banana. Now, banana is great in moisturizing the skin. It works wonders in leaving the skin tone, and it helps also in softening the edges of the skin. It works like helps in getting product into the skin, therefore moisturizing it and making it look smooth. Blending the banana. So I'm going to put this into the blender where I blended the potato, yeah. And now we're gonna turn this. Alright. Then we're gonna also be making use of aloe vera gel. Now, aloe vera gel is a great moisturizer to the skin. It's a therapy that helps to remove sunburns, dry skin, irritated skin, wrinkles, fine lines, and pimples. And we're gonna be needing the aloe vera. So we're gonna be pumping in 1 full tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Into this. Then we're going to be making use of egg. Now, egg is a great remedy
that is a face tightener. Now it also helps to tighten up a sagging and loose skin. It helps to remove wrinkles. It also helps for fine lines, and it leaves the pores tighter and firmer. Needing the whites, so we're going to get about 2 tablespoons of this egg whites. That is one. And that is 2. So now we're going to stir and mix and mix and mix together. Alright guys, so the essence of putting the other 2 ingredients is so that it could fasten the effects of tightening your loose and saggy skin. So for this treatment, see how smooth and soft and friendly it is. You can actually use it like twice in a week and all of your sagginess problem. Well guys, good morning. Alright, so here's the treatment and that's how it looks like. Okay, this I'm gonna be applying, so you should apply with a brush, and what you should do is to take this treatment like this and apply it onto your face, and it smells really good. I love the smell. I'm sure you will love it too. Okay, so apply this. Oops, look at that. Onto your face. Wherever you have the so you can actually apply this under your eye, okay, in case you're having any darkness there. It's actually mild enough to apply under the eye. You know that any treatment that you should apply under your eye should be very mild, so you're gonna apply it at your jaw. Okay, so after you've applied this, you have to leave this for it to be very, very dry. Okay, although it's gonna dry and tighten you up, but it's not gonna be like super duper dry like that because of the banana. Excuse me. It's going to be dry, and when it is drying, you're gonna notice that it's just gonna hold on your face and it's just going to grab it together. You're gonna tighten up all of your skin, your sagginess and all of that. So after you leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes for it to dry, then you can wash it off with a normal water, okay, or a room temperature water or warm water. Okay, so you could get rid of the egg smell, you have to use a very mild toilet soap. Okay, so that's it guys. The whole essence of this is so to tighten up your skin, close up your pores, remove pigments, remove wrinkles and fine lines, and you are gonna be glowing.
your skin is gonna be beautiful, your skin is gonna be very shiny. Okay, so if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay flawless. Bye guys. Bye.